Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce the newest products on my right hand. For this one, the merchandiser coolers. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. This unit is about like a 24.5 inches wide, about 25 inches deep, and the overall height is about like 80 and 3/4 inches tall. As we can see, the unit is coming with a big front banner on top of it. They do have a switcher in the middle to control the lights in their side. And the front glass door is double layers and soft close too. So when you're looking at the bottom of the units, we have a lockers at these positions and the small digital controllers. You can set up all the functions and the temperatures from here. So when you're looking at the behind of the units, we can see they do having the manufacturer give you the 110 plugs and the compressor mount at the bottom too. Also, the manufacturer give you the cut sheet information from the machine. When we open it in the set, we can see they do have LED LED strips, and for the inner side dimensions, it is about like 18.5 inches deep and 21 inches wide. And overall height is about like 54.5 inches tall. When we're looking at the inner side, we can see they do have air circulating fans on top of it and the water tubes connections to drain the water out from the behinds of the backboard. And they do having the shelvings. Manufacturer give you the adjustable height shelvings and also have a bottle racks. And also when we're looking at the inner side, we do have the ETL sanitation stickers and all the car sheets details information from the manufacturer about the machine. They're using the 110 powers and the R290, the Freons, and all details showing here. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.